Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to discuss with you about interview question which is asked to me in one interview that I have attended. So in that interview, they have asked me to that is regarding the PySpark coding. So they have given me a CSV dataset, and though that CSV dataset is containing mainly the product information like product ID, product name, and price. So we need to find the total price for each product name that we have in the data set. So if I'm talking about, so in the data set, like they have given me the product ID, product name, and the price, like 001, 002 product ID, 003, 00 again what 003 and 002. So like for product ID 001, we have that product name is tin and the price for that is 250. Again, we have the 001 tin and that the product price for that is 250. So we need to make the total sum of the price, like tin is total price, what is the 500. So we need to get the output like this that already that they have given me. So we need to get the output like this. Like 14, we need the total price. We have only two columns in that final output for the product name and the total price. So the product name 14 is 500, for pen is 600, like 300 plus 300, and the clay that is 400 and 400, 800. So we need to get the output like this. So we need to write a PySpark to get this output. So what I'm going to do, so I'm going to solve this question in Databricks Community Edition. So just I'm going to open my Databricks Community Edition. From there we can start doing the solution for this one. So just I'm opening this what we call this a Databricks Community Edition. So we are so I have already create the CSV dataset there. Already have created a CSV file, and what I'm going to do, so I'm directly going to upload that. If you are click uh, here on the workflows, so for uploading the dataset, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create the click on the catalog. After creating the catalog, so we need to click on this dbfs, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to upload the file from here. So click on upload. So we need to upload the file. So the file that I've created, this one, product.csv file. So just I'm uploading this file. So the file is uploaded. Now what I'm going to do, I'm not going to create the table from directly from here. So just I'm copying this uh, path of the CSV file. So I'm just copying this CSV file path. Click on done. So I'm going to just create a new notebook, and from there I'm going to create the data frame using this CSV file path. So we have created this notebook. So just we have give any name like product data solution, something we can give any name, that is not an issue. So what I'm going to do here, so I'm going to create the, first of all, I'm going to create the data frame using this uh, CSV file. So uh, for this one, just I'm writing, so product df equal to spark dot read dot format. So what the format name is, CSV format. So I'm uh, just for the better readability, what I'm going to do, I'm going to write the code in the next line by giving, so spark dot read dot format dot option. So in this CSV file, we have the header also there. First row as a header, so I'm going to give here. So header equal to true. and I'm not going to define my own schema. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to infer the schema here only. So dot option infer schema equal to true. So after that, I'm going to load the file there. Dot load. So already I have copied the path of that CSV file. So just I'm giving that path here. So file store, what is the path is for this one? So file store tables are under that product.csv is there. So I'm just going to create the data frame. So just so we need to run this code. So I'm just running this one. So I think the cluster is already attached with. So what data frame reader object has no attribute. Sorry. We have a mistake for the spelling. We have format. Yes, sorry for this. Now I'm going to just run this code. Oh, small mistake again here. So for load. Again, I'm running the code. So now I think it will run successfully. And the data frame is created. So just I'm going to check what the data frame that I have created, what the data in this data frame. So we have just created the product df dot show. So yes, so we have these data. We have these data that just we have created the data frame. So we have the product ID, product name, and the price for this one. So what we need to do, so we need to get the output like this, like we have to only the product name and the total price in the output for this one. So we need to get the total price for each product, like for the tin. But if we have tin is two times in this data set, so 250 and 250. So we need to add this price and take as a total sum of the uh, price for that tin product. So what I'm going to do, so here what we can, we have already created this data frame. So what we have to, suppose we have this product already that we know the product name is there, and we need to get the total like for each product. So we can do this for solution for this one. We have to group by the data according to the product name. So if the data is grouped by on the basis of the product name, so we can get the easily sum for that each product price. So we can use the aggregation, their aggregate function, to get the sum of the price for each product. So what I'm going to do here, so suppose because we have already created the product df, if you and I'm going to use this transformation. So just uh, what can I give the name for this data frame? So product df product total price. We can give any name, so that is not an issue. So product total price df, if I'm going to give here, so already I have created the product df. So product df dot group by. So I'm going to use here the group by to group the data according to the product name. So we have the product name column here. So what we have done, so I'm going to run this only this piece of the code and just check there what the data inside this new df. So I'm just running this one. So if I'm going to check what we have get this or this new df, so product total price df dot show. Okay. So it's showing like we don't have this. We have just a group by this data. So what we can do here, so same code that we have written, this dot, what I'm going to do, we need to aggregate, we are going to aggregate function here to get the price for this, uh, that we have created the product there. No? So we have done the group, we have group by the, we have just grouped the each product name, and then after that we are going to use the aggregate function here, aggregate, and to get the sum of, to get the sum of all the price that for the for same product. So I'm just going to use here the price, and I'm going to give here the name because we have in that final data frame what we need as a total price. So dot alias, we are giving the alias name for this one as total price. So now I'm going to run this code. Maybe we will get some issue because we didn't import it. We need to import this some function. So what I'm going to do here, initially starting of the code, I'm going to write our import statement mainly. So from PySpark dot SQL, from PySpark dot SQL import. So import what I need to import here, import sum. So I'm just going to run this code. What? Sorry, PySpark dot SQL dot function. Then sorry for this. So now which one? From no module named PySpark dot. It's called from oops, mistake. PySpark dot SQL dot functions. Sorry, a simple mistake that just for this. Every time I'm getting so again what happened? Cannot import the same function. What? Oh, again, one mistake. So what I have written here, not so small. I am just missing there. Now it will, I think, show the here we need to use this small as for this one. So now it's run successfully. I'm going to check what inside this. Not show. So now we got that the result as our result data set. So product name and total price. So for tin we have the 500 rupees, for pen that is 600, and clay is 800. That is asked. So the same output we have also got this product name and total price, that is tin a 500, pen is 600, and clay is 800. So just so in this video, this is the solution for this question. So I will post the new videos for the some new question there. So if you like to the way of solving my question for this related to the PySpark, so like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks all. Thanks for watching this.